Time zones enhance security, efficiency, and management by allowing organizations to control and schedule user entry based on local working hours. In this guide, we will take you through changing the time zone for your site. To begin, from your Primo web interface, navigate to the Configurations tab and choose the site's menu option. Time zones are applied to the site profile. When running a multi-site across different time zones, you can edit each site's time zone independently. Select the site to edit. In the time zone field, you will see the default time zone applied to your site. Selecting the drop-down, a search field with available time zones will open. You can use the scroll function or type to search for your desired time zone. Once you have selected your time zone, use the save icon to commit these changes to your site. This will then be applied to all controllers under this site. Thank you for watching as we went through setting up time zones in Primo.